Hey friends, it's Kivia and thanks for coming back for another video, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video will be all about decorating the primary bedroom for Christmas. So the bedroom was a hot mess. As you can see, this is usually my gathering place when I am working on the project. I just put everything in this corner right here, and yeah, it was a hot mess. The items that you see were items that I already had. I did purchase this velvet ribbon from Hobby Lobby. That was probably the only new purchase that I made besides a candle, I believe. But everything that you see, I did have upstairs in my attic. I just grabbed a few things. I do have a lot of gold ornaments, but this was like what I chose to put on the tree, and I didn't use a lot of the stuff that you'll see. So I'm just showing you some fabric that I used one year as a tree skirt. This is just some sheer fabric. I went with these colors the first year that we were in the house, which was 2021, and I couldn't find an affordable tree skirt, so I just got some fabric cut at Hobby Lobby and decided to go with this. This is definitely a great money saver because tree skirts are very expensive. I started off using these as a tree topper, but I changed my mind and you guys will see what I did with them later on in the video. Alright, this was the next day, so everything that you saw that was on the floor when I first started off, I pretty much put on the dresser, and then I had some stuff over here on this table. I'll be decorating that as well. I did wash the sheets the night before and I put those back on. I did go ahead and change out my comforter as well, so I'm just going to do a quick wipe down on the nightstands, some of the surfaces in the room before I get started on the rest of the decorating. I purchased this comforter last year from TJ Maxx, I believe. I absolutely love it. It's so soft and it keeps you warm during the winter time, but This comforter sheds so much. I actually just threw it away, unfortunately. I'm going to have to find us another one. You see me putting it on the bed in the video, and then you also see me showing you the spot on here because the last time I washed it, one of the pods exploded on here and got stuck. So that's a piece of it right there. But I did take it off and wash it again, and that's when I realized how much this comforter sheds. It was stuff all in the washer, so that's why I end up throwing it away.
That I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about
Alright, my friends, that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope this video brought you some inspiration. Hopefully you have started on your Christmas decorating, or you will get started soon. I know a lot of people decorate early. I am one of those people, so all of my decor is already up, although I am still putting out content for you all. I do have 2 more videos left, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend, and until next time, my friends, take care.